both knit counterclockwise on our looms, and I'm left-handed.
But I'm right-handed, so we had to learn different ways of doing the purl stitch.
And we're going to show you how that works.
When doing a purl stitch, you take your working yarn below the yarn on your first peg. You take your pick and go down the groove, pick up your working yarn and pull through, making a new loop. Then you take off the old loop, put the new loop back on, and pull it tight. Let's do that again. Working yarn below the yarn that's already on your peg. Take your pick and go through the groove down, turn it up, making a new loop, pulling it off, and putting the working yarn back on.
But if you're right-handed and you're going counterclockwise, we found that tipping this upside down gives me the control of the yarn in my left hand and still lets me pick with my right and lets me purl really simply.
And that is how you purl.